Hi everybody on YouTube, Luke's channel back again. First off, sorry I haven't been around very much. I've had a lot of stuff going on. So many different things have happened. But I'm gonna finally make another video after such a long while. So then, for today, I'm going to review something I've reviewed before, which is a little different looking this time. So, without further ado, I give you this. This is a new version of a train I've reviewed before, Henry the Blue Engine. So, as you probably will see right here, I have made a version 2 Henry the Blue Engine body shell. How you can tell is because of the fact it's got the Tomy Player L. Henry face, Japanese, and I have managed to somewhat draw some cab windows in. And I've also done some red lining on the tender difference. I have got an oil-based red marker, and I drew the lines, the red lines on the tender, the red, the oil-based marker was, and it looks a little bit more similar to the shell. Now when I tried it on the body shell, it didn't really look as light, and I wonder what the reason for that was, but I'm not so sure though. And as you can probably tell, I kind of made a few minor mess ups on this version of Henry the Blue Engine too. But it's fine, because it's like a lot of people say, nobody's perfect. But I think it looks fine. It is an experiment, and nobody should be complaining about their experiments, because that's not going to help. It won't help at all. So, a lot of modifications have been made to my experiment of Henry the Blue Engine. So, traction tires, and of course the body shell. And well then, I will give you a good glance at him running down on the track after I get some things ready. So excuse me for a second, I'll be right back. Alright, here we are down at the track. As you can probably tell, due to the fact so much has been going on with me lately, I have made some modifications to the track. To my tracks. I have made a circle, the best one I could, of 2 Tomy circles and only 1 Trackmaster Revolution circle, where I can have both versions of trains run. So then, in any case, without further ado, let's get to running my second version of Henry the Blue Engine. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. probably one more lap, and then I'll call this good. Alright, well then, that was my run of Henry the Blue Engine, and well then, guys, before this day, I'm just gonna tell you, one of the things which has happened while I've been away is, since the month right now is April, I have a surprise sort of news to tell you. A few days ago this week, I have heard, since this is the month the Sonic the Hedgehog sequel got released. You're never gonna believe this, but on this Thursday, I got some surprise news from my dad that we had an early one-day ticket to go see the Sonic sequel in theaters. And well then, when I saw this movie, I was like completely excited myself. And well then, now that I've seen both Sonic movies of Paramount, I can now barely decide which one I like better. The sequel has so many things of hilarity and comedy, I can barely decide which Sonic movie I like better. I think they're both good. And so then, now, in any case, that's probably gonna do it for this video. So, anyway, this is Luke of Luke's channel, signing off. Until next time, peace out.